Haha. Should be easy. Fingers crossed. So we're out here at night because I've let it go on for long enough. I have some clunking going on with my coilovers. It's been almost over a year since I've had these installed, so I guess it's pretty good. It's time to do some maintenance. Let's see what I can find out with this suspension. It sounds like it's knocking at like full turn, or when it gets unweighted. I suspect it's a spring-related binding perch kind of thing, but we'll find out. Okay, so I took the wheel off. It looks like the coilover has adjustable ride height, and this is this locking collar here. Look, it's like hand loose. So I think what I'm hearing the clunking is the threads when it's offloaded. You know, there's a little bit of shimmy in here. All I have to do is tighten down this locking collar real well, and I think I'll be fine. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. I thought maybe this spring perch was being unloaded after these being like loosened or something, but turns out that the adjustable ride height lock collar was loose. That was what the clunking is at full turns. That's all I needed. So I've been thinking, maybe the reason why my strut collar got loose was because some of these curbs in LA are like pretty harsh. I always enter the corner through this wheel. It's taken a lot of abuse over the couple of years. Finally got loose. But now, after tightening it, it's really, really solid. I don't feel some of the things that I did before, which was a loose brake kind of in that corner. Some hesitation with steering. That's gone now. So all in all, I think that's a very good fix. Like, you know, just tighten up your suspension a little bit, do some maintenance on it, and the wonders for handling.